Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Hearth of Coal. So we did have our laying hens out on our lawn. They were yard chickens. We had them out there for the summer and the fall, and we finished building the winter coop last weekend. So we've got them in here now, and it is toasty in here. We don't heat it. We don't have heat in our pole barn. But this little room, let me kind of go around and show you. I'm going to switch the camera. So our setup is built off of the side of our pole barn. There's a little addition that the old homeowners had added to it, and it's, not suitable for much, but we kind of fixed it up a little bit. Well, you better get in there. We fixed it up a little bit so that we could do this with the hens over winter. And it's got repurposed metal roofing as a knee wall, kind of like all the way around. That way, in the springtime, whenever these guys are all done in here, we can just hose it down. We don't have to worry about it. And then we've got just a frame with chicken wire so they don't get up here and poop, because they definitely will do that. Both of these windows, this one and that one over there, they open. So, hi Parrot. So if, it gets really stifling in here one day whenever it's really warm, then we can open those windows for ventilation. Parrot's not sure if she wants to jump on me today. Usually she climbs on my shoulder. Over here, same thing. We just basically covered the windows with chicken wire. And then this is the roost. And we have to make a modification because the cross branches are too small. That's where they end up roosting most of the time, on the little knee wall that we put in to keep the straw back. So down in here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but these are really simple. It's basically just a little block that this arm sits into, kind of like stair risers. And then at the top, it's just a French cleat, so it just hooks right on there. Makes it easy to move around if we need to. Like I said, it's not heated in here, but it got down to in the 20s last night, and their water was not frozen this morning. They get good sun all day long, and they're protected from the wind, and everybody seems pretty happy. Well, come on, Parrot. You want to come up and say hi? Come on up. Oh, she's going to clean my jacket. So that one is a leghorn, I believe. Oh, there she goes. This is what Parrot does most mornings, don't you? Yeah. This is what we do. What do you think, Parrot? Is it going to be a good day? Your audience must know. Okay. Yeah. And that's about how long that lasts. Now we've got our other hens here. I really am not sure what a lot of my breeds are. I mean, it's kind of embarrassing to say it that way, but I'm pretty sure that one and that gray one walking towards us and a couple of the other ones are Americanas. And then I don't know about these ones. Hi. Some of the pictures I look at say Campine, but they've got muffed faces, so I think they're Americana cross. I don't know. And then I've got a light Brahma, that's the black and white one there. The white leghorns. And then the black ones I think are French Morans. But I'm not sure. So we'll see kind of as they grow. I think that's what they are. Everybody's going to come check out the camera now. You have a dirty face. Because you were eating. Anyway, chicken fun in our new winter coop. So it's going really well. It's pretty bitter outside, and it's warm-ish in here. I mean, it's not like heated warm, but it's not cold. Anywho, I'm gonna continue on. You guys say bye? Yeah, okay. Alright, everybody, that's really it. Oh, almost forgot. So this is the knee wall, like I say, that we built, well, Jason built, to keep the straw back. You can see they like to roost here. So that's why there's visqueen underneath the floor, so that, you know, any poop or moisture doesn't go all the way through. And that should make spring cleaning a little bit easier. You guys done with that bucket yet? Anyways, this is just our simple solution using what we have. And, you know, it seems to be working so far. We will see how it goes through the winter. All right, guys, have a great one.